The scientists reported that there ain't no purpose, and the theologian told me that it's all been designed. And I'm trying to maintain objectivity. The world won't illuminate what really matters, and I'm in a perfect mortal meaning extractor, processing the complexity. Born of the earth, we were given a choice. What about free will? Do we have a voice? See them run in place in the human rat race. So much dead weight to our disgrace. Life begins when you accept your fate. Paralysis from forces raging out of control, until my confidence and will are at an all-time low. Whoa, just directionless wandering. Eternal life, eternal truth, eternal secrets. Isolated hopes and hypotheses just leave you feeling so hungry. Born of the earth, we were given a choice. What about free will? Do we have a voice? See them run in place in a human rat race. So much dead weight to our disgrace. Life begins when you accept your fate. Right or wrong, the main criterion is what you do and not what you say. The roads you take, the friends you make, and those you throw away. The method is a simple synthesis of the past and present state. You never lose if the path you choose is one you can easily navigate. I had a dream, light and carefree, but now there's doubt and gravity.